Hi all, this is Dr.T.Logeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application PG, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about best method of staff selection and motivation. This is one of the subtopic in staffing in software project under software project management. Why I said that best method of staff selection? Because when you are making the process of putting right men on right job, then everything will be easy for us. If you didn't choose the right person for the right job, then 100% you can't able to achieve. So if you want to achieve 100%, then we should follow certain procedure of matching our organizational requirement with the skills and qualification of people. Effective selections can only done when effective matching will happen. So the best candidate what we required for the job and the organization with the quality performance of employees. If you didn't do that, then the organization will face less absenteeism and employee turnover problem because they will switch over from place to place. By selecting right candidate for the required job, then you can save money and even though time. Proper screening of candidate take place during the selection procedure. All the potential candidates, whomever they were applying for the job, we have to go for testing. But the selection must be differentiated from recruitment. Here we have two phases of employment process. The first one, if you consider as a positive process, we have to motivate more candidates, they have to apply for the job. Then we have to create a pool of applicants. Then we have to make a sourcing of data. When you are going for the negative process, then the candidate we have to reject. The selection in staffing process is based on this. So in which way we can able to select the employees? What are all the selection procedures are available? Number one, preliminary interview. Because this is the main thing to shortlist majority of the candidate, because we want the right person in the sense the eligibility criteria we have to set, the skill, academic, family background, and what is the area of the interest. So everything if you specified in preliminary interview, if you shortlist that, then 100% our job will be fulfilled there only, because the final interview, the next stage, 1,000 people are there in the sense here only 100 people they can filter easily in this preliminary interviews. Then even though when you're submitting the application blank, if the person, it doesn't contain the details about the age, qualification, why they are leaving the previous job and how many years experience, then we can able to filter those also. Then last one, written test. This is the main thing because the written test will be the one parameter to filter the best candidate. The next thing, motivation. Why here I am specifying motivation in the sense, the motivation is very important parameter because we have to motivate. Motivation may vary from individual to individual based on the hierarchy of the needs from the lower level to high level, in which way we are motivating. For example, when you are giving food or shelter, then when we are making the levels of motivation, then it will be a boost. Here when we are talking about the theory of motivation, three things you should keep it in our mind. The first one, expectancy, that means the belief that working hard leads to better performance. Second one, instrumentality, the belief that better performance will be rewarded. Third one, perceived value of the resulting rewards. So here I have given you one assignment. What is the best method of staff selection? You can make one detailed description for this based on what are all the things we have discussed in today's class. So we will see you tomorrow, one more session. Thank you.